Welcome back and thanks for joining us. If you're new to our channel, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified of each new video. In the last video, we got back to work on the van by putting up fiberglass reinforced panels. This is part 1 of the ceiling series, so be sure to check back soon for part 2. In this video, we finally get out into nature again after 8 long months. We hiked in St. Ursula Waterfall Park, which is called Parc-des-Chutes-de-Sainte-Ursule in French. It's a short hour-and-a-half drive from Montreal and only $5 per person to enter the park.
It's not the van, but it's gonna get us places.
Okay, go to the Welcome Center. That's the Welcome Center.
Today, no van built. We're actually gonna enjoy the nice weather. It's an holiday today. Victoria Day?
Victoria Day.
So we're gonna enjoy the day today hiking because we haven't done that in a long time.
Hey guys, this is Dory, and I'm Mena. We travel with our lovely dog Fiona to help you discover the most beautiful spots. Wait a minute, this hasn't been our reality for over a year. But this has, and this, and this. That's because our van Destiny has been our pandemic project. It's helped keep us busy, stay sane, and switch lanes. So if you're here for our adventure videos, hold on just a bit longer. Now that the province of Quebec has 75% of the population vaccinated and 75% of our van build is done, we'll soon be free again. Thanks so much for sticking with us during this time out. We owe all of our success to you.
So it's a short hike. Round trip, I think, is 2 kilometers.
Wow! Oh my god! Look how beautiful! Oh my god! Wow! I've been here for 2 minutes and my mind is already blown.
Pretty cool, huh?
We're right at the start of the hike, and there's 2 ways you can go. You could go towards the left or the right, but the way the trail is supposed to go is to the right, so we're following it. Right now we're going a little bit off, so it's mostly wooden boardwalks, and right now we're going on a little off trail. So the trail is pretty well marked. I mean, it's pretty tamped down and everything like that. It's just such a lovely area. It's so nice to be outside in the warm weather, you know, hiking again. Oh,
and pet friendly.
And it's pet friendly, which is amazing. So, I mean, this is one of our favorite things to do, is being outside, being in nature, hiking, just, you know, enjoying nature, just enjoying being here. So I'm so psyched to be here. I'm grounding with my new shoes. We're all excited to be outside, especially her.
Rising sun Kiss the sky, see it open before us. Take these hopes, hold them high.
I thought I'd see a sandy beach over here.
I know, huh? This is a picnic area.
When was the last time that we had our feet in sand? Wow. It's like we're in Mexico again.
I'm taking a picture right now. Go check it out on Instagram, guys. Making memories.
Wow, look at that. Oh, wow. So, I'm taking on the barrage of mosquitoes just because this picture is so beautiful and I wanted you all to see it. Really lovely.
So, it's not a big hike, like it's maybe 2-3 kilometers. I mean, we haven't finished yet, but there's so much to see. Every corner you take, it's like an Instagram picture, you know? It's really nice, and there's a lot of trees, so there's a lot of shade, so you're not hot. Reception over here is not so great so far. Maybe I did catch a little bit in the reception area, but over here, nothing. Just want to check on Eye Overlander if there's spots extremely nearby that you know, you could camp. I will find out and I will let you guys know.
Right now we're not on the main trail, we're on a secondary trail, but it's a lot less crowded, so it's actually quite nice to be exploring this side without too many people around. Oh wow, those are the big falls there. So we haven't explored the main trail yet, and I'm looking forward to that because there will likely be better views of the falls. Don't look down. Oh, there they are.
I was able to open Eye Overlander and nothing around here. At least nobody marked it. I'm not sure if you could stay here overnight. No idea. I doubt it, since you have to pay $5 to get in. But that would have been pretty epic. The blue pill or the red pill? Looks like red. No way back now.
nice here, huh?
Yeah. It's really nice. It's the kind of spot where you could just spend hours. Bring your lunch, dinner, or whatever.
I know, there's so many little viewpoints.
Yeah.
So you just keep going along the trail and so many viewpoints and photo opportunities. It's really cool.
I mean, it's not even a big hike. It's just really pleasant.
I know. Oh yeah. In terms of easiness, I would call this like a 2 out of 10 in terms of how difficult it is.
In terms of fun, I'd call it like a 12.
I still call it a 7.
So much to do. It's just really busy.
Yeah, it is
Not
busy.
really, but it's crowded.
We did the secondary trail first, and I'm really happy we did that. Although we saw a lot, this trail is really the pièce de résistance. So we saved it for last, and I'm so happy we did because the views on this side are really spectacular, but we wanted to have a longish hike, and we knew that both of them would be about 2 kilometers. So overall, by the time we finish this hike, we'll have hiked 4 kilometers, which, I mean, it's really easy hike. It's like 2 out of 10 in terms of difficulty. And we like to hike longer and walk longer in general. So I'm glad we did both sides, but this side is by far like the prettiest views of the falls for sure. But it's also a little bit more crowded. So if you want to set up a picnic, it might be nice to do it on the secondary trail.
For those who are new to this channel, me and Mena, we love to travel. We're nomads at heart. We love to explore on the cheap. So we share our adventures, our stories, our tips on our YouTube channel. But most importantly, we're creating memories.
That's it for us today, guys. We were here from 11 to 2:30. So we spent about 3.5 hours here, and it cost us $5 each. And it was about 4 kilometers total hiking, but so many photo ops. It was awesome. And only an hour and a half from Montreal. This is a must do if you're in the area and you want to check out a waterfall. For me, being near water, being near Waterfall, it's rejuvenating. It totally lifts my spirits. So if you're interested in doing this kind of activity, don't hesitate. St. Ursula Waterfall or la Parc-des-Chutes-de-Sainte-Ursule. See you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on that notification bell.